3, 2, 1.
We are at FIDM, Los Angeles, California, at the finale of the Menswear program, where we're here at the exhibition.
Tonight's event is the culmination of a year's study in an advanced program in menswear design.
Basically, all the work we've done over this entire program comes together, and it's a good place for us to kind of show off ourselves as designers and then show off the hard work that we've all done through this entire program.
The Menswear program is designed to give us the chance to create a line from scratch and bring it to validity.
The instructors guide them along the way, but they have to present to me at the end of the second quarter what their line is and which items they want to produce to present at the judging.
It was just all very design focused and very focused on developing you as a person, as a designer, and the line itself.
We had to have a wearable tech basically at the first quarter. They took us to this room where they have like a lot of different textiles that are showing like new, cool ideas. They also have the tech side of it.
So the biggest challenge for me was engineering my technology that I put into the line. I did an avalanche airbag. So it actually keeps you above the avalanche. And most people are actually able to walk away from the really scary avalanches with an airbag.
The students presented for 15 minutes, and then they met with each of the judges at their individual exhibitions.
I felt like I was actually like working for a company. I felt like I was in the real world, like having people to manage and having projects to manage and having a deadline. I thought was just very interesting, and it was challenging to me.
You know the skill, you have the skill. It's a matter of like pushing it forward in the right direction, and that the program really like guides you along in the correct way.
What really brought me to this program is being able to take the chance and to take this risk, and I think that it is more than paid off.